How Qur'anic memorization competitions inspire global unity. Did you know that Qur'anic memorization connects millions across the globe? These incredible competitions unite diverse cultures and foster a bond of faith, transcending language and geography. It's more than memorizing words, it's about preserving a shared spiritual legacy. Participants from different lands come together, reciting the Quran with electric precision. Their shared commitment inspires mutual respect and understanding, proving that unity can thrive in diversity. These events highlight how spirituality bridges gaps, creating a mosaic of global harmony. Quran competitions spotlight young, inspiring leaders. Their discipline and dedication serve as beacons of faith for communities worldwide. Families witness a living example of how Islamic teachings can enrich lives and nurture values like compassion and unity. Let's celebrate this extraordinary reminder that we're stronger together. Explore Quranic competitions in your community or virtually. Share their message of togetherness and inspire future generations toward harmony. Together, let's amplify the beauty of unity rooted in faith. Start your journey today. Learn, share, and uplift.